How to grow hair longer and faster, according to experts. When you're trying to grow your hair thicker and longer, the process can seem to take forever. Hair grows about 6 inches each year on average, according to the American Academy of Dermatology Association, but oftentimes that growth feels minimal, especially when most folks lose 50 to 100 hairs each day. While it seems that for some women, enviably long hair just happens, for the rest of us, tweaking certain aspects of our day-to-day haircare regimen must be made. Whether that's using a different hairbrush, adjusting how often you use your hairdryer, adding foods to make hair grow quicker or a vitamin to the mix, or sleeping on a silk pillowcase. Yes, really, there are fast hair growth secrets and home remedies that even grow hair thicker. Check out these pro tips for how to grow hair faster, naturally. 1. Get frequent trims. It may seem counterintuitive, but if you want long hair that's actually healthy, you need to get regular trims. While haircuts don't make your hair grow any faster, they get rid of split ends that break your hair. Eliminating the breakage gives the appearance that your hair is growing faster. After all, a split end that breaks can lead to your hair losing length, not to mention shine, volume, and smoothness. 2. Resist the urge to go blonde. As chic as platinum hair looks, going from a darker shade to light blonde could stand between you and your longest possible hair. When the cuticle of the hair is damaged from bleach, you can have more breakage or split ends. 3. Distribute your hair's natural oils. Going to bed with unbrushed hair may seem tempting when you're tired, but giving your hair a few quick strokes can be great for its health. Starting at the scalp, use a boar bristle brush to distribute your scalp's oils evenly onto your hair so it stays naturally moisturized. 4. Eat the right foods. Having long, strong hair doesn't just depend on which products you put on your hair, it also depends on what you put into your body. To promote hair growth, you need to feed the hair from the inside. In addition to foods high in protein, vitamins A, C, and E, minerals like zinc and iron, and omega-3 fatty acids can also contribute to healthier hair. 5. Add a vitamin to your A.M. routine. If your diet isn't supplying you with enough nutrition, a supplement could make a world of difference. Look for a multivitamin that's formulated and labeled for hair, skin, and nails. 6. Skip the daily shampoo. By now, you've likely heard all the testimonials attributing great hair to going, no, poo. But do you know why it actually helps your hair? Shampooing your hair 2 to 3 times a week allows your natural oils to penetrate your hair, allowing it to hydrate and repair itself, explains Ken Paves, a celebrity hairstylist in LA. For thicker and fuller looking hair fast, choose a formula labeled volumizing or thickening. 7. Avoid excessive heat styling. Stop overstyling your hair, Paves says. If you must use heat, he recommends decreasing the temperature and always using a heat protectant, otherwise, you risk damaging your hair, leading to breakage and frizz. 3. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. Getting better hair in your sleep is possible. All you need is to switch up your pillowcase. Silk is easier on hair. It helps avoid tangles and breakage, says Jesleen Aluwalia, MD, a dermatologist at Spring Street Dermatology in NYC. The less breakage your hair experiences, the longer your hair will be. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now to our YouTube channel for more videos.